and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So in today's video we are going to be looking at Rosalind's 6-piece polygel kit. They are 15 milliliters each and they all come sealed. So they come in this little box and they all come in their individual little packets, which I think is really great, by the way, because like you never know, like during transit sometimes things do explode, sometimes they do leak, and at least this way you know that it's not going to contaminate any other of the bottles, even though everything come perfectly fine. They were all sealed, so yeah, I was really happy with that. So I decided to do a French tip set today using Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method, and I tried to do a full look by using all of the colours. So yeah, okay, I know that blue and purple and green are not full colours, but I used some little maple leaves that I got last year in different colours, as you can see over there. I'll leave everything linked down below, and I just used some base coat here, and now before curing I'm going to stick the leaves into the actual nails. Oh, I didn't do a French tip, sorry, I've done an ombre. I don't know, my brain's all over the place. So Rosalind were kind enough to send me this for free as a PR package, so thank you very much, Rosalind, for sending me this polygel kit. I am very, very grateful. The colours were absolutely stunning. They were so lush. It was nice to work with. I did find it was more on the softer side of polygel, but it wasn't sticky. I don't mind if polygel is soft or firm. You know, it does not matter. It's the stickiness that gets to me, and I didn't find it very sticky at all. Like it didn't stick to the brush or gunk up my brush, which is absolutely fantastic. So I just painted a layer of that base coat in, and now I'm just using my crystal katana tool to pick up the little maple sequin glitter things. I stick them into the nail, and then once I'm happy with the placement, I then stick the nails into the lamp and I cure for 30 seconds before going in with another layer of base coat and just making sure that I am encapsulating all of those glitters, because you don't want the polygel to seep underneath, even though it did a little bit. But I was really happy with how they turned out. They were really cute. They might not be like all that full. My favorite one was definitely the thumbnail. It was white. I should have just done them all white. It was such a beautiful idea. So yeah. So anyway, sorry, my son came in and was grabbing his Paw Patroller vehicle. The big van thing is huge. So anyway, so each nail I done a different color. Like I said, I wish I'd just done them all white. I think that the white was absolutely stunning. Like I said, these polygels though were great. I put a little too much into the pinky nail here, as you can see, but it was fine. I just scooped it out. There was no big deal. So what I done is the way I always do ombre, I make sure to make, like, whether you're putting it on top of the nail or into a nail like the Femi Beauty method, I make sure it's all flat and right where I want it, and then the bit that would be ombreed in between the nail bed and the free edge, I feather it down and then I feather it back on itself to create that ombre effect. You just apply a little bit extra pressure and you bring the colour down, as you can see. If I did actually use too much, as you can see again, I was just scooping it out before moving on to the next nail. So I actually didn't cure any of these until I'd done all of the nail tips. And then I went in and cured for 60 seconds in my nail lamp before going in with the nail bed area. That's when I stuck them, I'd done the nail bed area, and then I stuck them onto my nails and I put them into the lamp and cured for 60 seconds, and then I done a full cure at the end then for 60 seconds again to make sure everything was fully on and wasn't going to come off, everything was cured properly. If you were doing these for them and you want them to last on your nails, I would recommend doing some prep. I will leave a video in the cards just up in the right hand corner, the little eye. If you click on that, I will leave the prep routine video that I have. It's only a 2-minute video just for you to see how you would, of course, prep your nails to make your nails last. I do have a lot of questions about this, so yeah, I always put it in my cards so that everyone can see and have a look at it and check it out. This was my favorite nail, by the way. So this Opal White polygel, it's more of like a milky white. I really, really like it, and I think I'm going to use it again soon on another set. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I have a few sets to get out, so as you guys know, I usually upload twice a week, but I've been very bad at uploading. I am trying to get back into that routine and stuff like that. I'm not going to promise, because real life just goes up in the air, right? but I am trying. So I do have a lot of PR packages to get out, so I'm going to try and get some videos done and get them out as soon as I can. So just bear with me, guys. I really do appreciate all of your love and support. You guys are absolutely fantastic. You are always there to support me, and when I feel bad for not uploading every week, you guys are always there to tell me like it's okay, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me. So anyway, back to the nails though, as you can see. So I'm just cleaning up as I stick them onto my nail, and then I cure. I do this for every single nail, and then I go in with McCart's one of the decor sets. It's the autumn one. I don't know their actual names. They're online, but it's the like autumn ones with the orange, yellow, gold, and red sort of glitters, charms and rhinestones. I used that to put on some rhinestones on these nails, because originally I was going to do something completely different. This was off the top of my head because I thought that the polygel kit itself actually had like a brush in and stuff, and I thought it was just two colours, but it turned out to be these beautiful lush bright colours instead, which I'm very happy with anyway. So I got to do a different set altogether, but I do have an idea of another set that I want to do soon, so I'm going to do that very soon. I'm sorry that I didn't really get many Halloween ideas out. I still might do some like Halloween nail videos on TikTok. I don't know, I had a lot of ideas and I never got to do them all. I don't know what's wrong with me lately, just being so busy, and like I've got other things, like real life does obviously come first. This is my hobby, and as much as I love doing nails, I have to make sure that my real life is of course comes first. And I know you guys understand that. I have two small children, so I'm trying to balance 100 things at once. But yeah, I might still do some Halloween sort of nails and post them onto my TikTok instead, because yes, you know, I absolutely love Halloween, and I can't wait for the C word that shall not be named, because I can get demonetized for it. I can't wait for everything to start going back to normal. Like last year we didn't do any trick-or-treating because of the big C. And this year I still felt weird, and we didn't do a proper trick-or-treating. We went to see family and friends, just because, I don't know, I think it's so weird now. You, like, before we used to go to houses and trick-or-treat and take candy and sweets off of strangers, and now it's like you don't know what's going on with that family that you could take, you know, a chocolate bar off. Like, I know it sounds very over the top, and you know, some people be like, oh, you know, you're being paranoid, but it makes you think. Do you know what I mean? Even though I'm not saying that people are like sitting there with their Halloween sweets in a bowl sneezing on it, you know, before we knock, but you still never know. And I miss like those little things, do you know what I mean? And it's so bizarre, but I hope everyone had a good Halloween, and I hope you enjoyed it. And you know, let me know down in the comments below what you done. Did you go to like a party, or did you stay in and watch horror films? I absolutely loved that. I love doing that. I went to my mum's and we watched the new Adam Sandler. I say it's new, I think it's like a year or two old now. A new Adam Sandler horror film. It's like a comedy. We watched that and we had a laugh, and we had a McDonald's, and the kids really enjoyed it. They got like buckets of sweets and like a new Halloween torch and all that stuff, so they were over the moon. So yeah, you know, it's those little things. But yeah, I can't wait for us to get back to normal, you know, but I know that that's never going to be probably a thing. Stupid as that sounds. World changed now, right? But we're still gonna make the most of it, I hope. So anyway, I literally just stuck some of those rhinestones, like I said, the McCart rhinestones, onto the nails, and I used top coat to secure them on, and now I'm just going in and top coating the rest of the nails. And then you of course add some cuticle oil, and that is the first set done. So the second set, I do have another PR package from Born Pretty. They sent me a few random gel polishes. There's a glitter one, a cat eye one, this beautiful burnt orange color. I absolutely love that color. It's so nice. They sent me a hollow liqueur. I can't say that word. I know what it is. I can't say it. A matte top coat as well. But the hollow glitter I didn't use. I didn't swatch or anything like that. But yeah, they sent me a it was a beautiful color. Yeah, I prefer gel. Does anyone else prefer gel? So anyway, what I decided to do was use the hollow glitter and the orange, and I just made a really quick short square. I think it's square set. I squared squoval. Yeah, I just decided to make a really cute little press-on set with these gel polishes. They are absolutely beautiful. I do love them. So I done a full nail of that orange, a full nail of that hollow purple glitter. I done 2 coats on each, and I also done an ombre nail of both colors. I can't speak. I done 2 coats of this as well. I cured in between each coat, and then I done 2 French tip nails with the orange and the thing again, of course. So they did also send me a matte top coat, but I didn't use it for this because I didn't want to ruin the beautiful glitter. So I did use their shiny top coat that they sent me beforehand, and yes, I was very happy with the outcome. It was only a simple set. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, orange and purple, but like it kind of, that's the colors I associate with Halloween, and I'll tell you why. Even though it's not Halloween anymore, but I tried to sneak in a little Halloween without actually doing a Halloween set. So with me, I used to play a game years and years and years ago called RuneScape, and I know everyone, if anyone's a gamer that watches, I don't know, but if anyone knows this game, it's very old. But the Halloween costume that you used to get from the event for Halloween on that game, it's an MMORPG, and the actual costume was purple and orange, and that's from that day. That's just the colors that I've associated with Halloween. Besides, obviously, the obvious greens, like and glow in the dark and stuff like that. Yeah, purple and orange. I don't know. It's so bizarre, right? But it's just something from my childhood, I guess. Well, I'd say childhood is from my teenage years. But yeah, these colors were so nice, and I had to just use them in a simple set, and I always try to do 2 sets now. So yeah, I just went with it, and this didn't actually take me that long. French tip is really easy to start, like to get used to. It just takes some practice. If you feel like you need to you need a little bit more help, just put down some of those French tip stickers that you can get, and you can follow a line on that way you can get that beautiful crisp line. But like I said, it just takes time and practice, and you will get it, no problem. The ombre, again, very simple. You just swipe back and forth, and of course the full color tip nails are pretty self-explanatory. But anyway, once I'd done this, I went in with that top coat. I'd done 2 coats of that purple on the nail, let me try that again. The purple hollow glitter, I did paint 2 coats on the hollow because it's very I wanted to make it opaque, but yeah. The orange was 1 coat coverage. They were beautiful to work with, and I'm very happy with them. So anyway, this is the end results for both of the nail sets. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to keep on smiling. Don't forget to stay safe. I will leave everything linked down below along with discount codes. But yeah, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.